everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a beautiful snowflake ornament, or this can be worn as a pendant as well? We are using soft flex wire in the beautiful turquoise color. We are using a laser etched bead or a tattoo bead, and this was from the Softlex Company live sales. You'll just need a head pin, a jump ring, and I am mixing my metals just so you can see the connection point. I'll just be using some glass beads or some fire polish. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And down below in the description, I will leave a link to the products I'm using in this video, as well as the small businesses that they were purchased from. Let's start creating. So I'm using like a little frosted aqua bead and then a rondel and a clear AB fire polish. And this is just basic bead stringing. So this is going to form a little circle. And you just want to make sure that it's large enough to put your little embellishment inside. So this is about 3.5 inches. It's a great project to use any leftover soft flex that you may have. So once you have your beads added on, this will be a super pretty bracelet as well. Once you have your beads added onto your soft flex, you're just going to pick up one 2x2. It doesn't matter the side. And on the other side, we're just going to do a little crisscross. Very similar to one of the favorite styles of earrings that I love to create. And you're going to see that those blue beads are resting against that 2x2. Now for your soft flex 2x2s, it will fit 3 of your soft flex wires in medium, and that's what we're using in this project. So on the longer side, we're just going to kind of double back and loop through. And this can be a little tricky. And once you have your loop, we're just going to make any adjustments and make sure everything is nice and secure. And this is your little connection point. So like if you were making this as an earring, you would connect it to the ear wire or to a jump ring or a bail for a pendant. Then we're just going to take our pliers and flatten our 2x2. And if you've seen any of my other tutorials, you know I like to round my 2x2 for a more professional finish. But for this project, we're just going to flatten it. And then just be very careful when you trim your extra soft flex. You don't want to trim your little connection point. And if you have a lot of soft flex left over, be sure to save it. You can always use it for a future project. So we're going to set our little loop off to the side. You want to make sure that it will fit your little embellishment. So we're just going to set that off to the side for a moment. We're going to make a wrapped loop on our head pin, and I will be using the one-step looper tool, and I will leave a link down below in the description for this. So you're just going to slide it into your tool and give it a squeeze. It will give us the perfect loop every time, and I am using the 1.5 millimeter. That is the smallest size. And then I just like to take my round nose pliers and make sure that my loop is completely closed. We're going to bring in a jump ring and we're going to attach it to the inside of our little component we just made. And when we open jump rings, we're just going to twist side to side, attach our little embellishment, and then attach our jump ring over our 2x2. And then we'll just leave our jump ring at close. And when we close jump rings, we should hear a little click and we'll know it's secure. And you have the start of your little ornament or earring or pendant. So it's super sparkly. So we're just going to set that off to the side for just a moment. We're going to bring in our soft flex and a few more beads. We have our smaller size of our aqua gloss beads, these little AB 3x5 beads that are check glass, as well as the largest size of our aqua beads that we used for the first part of the project. So you're going to need about 18 or 20 inches of your soft flex wire, and go ahead and cut that from the spool. So we have our soft flex wire. We're just going to add on one of our larger aqua beads. We're going to add on one of our little ABs, a small aqua, and an AB. I'm going to kind of slide it down to the middle. With the side of Softlex, we're just going to pass back through just the bigger aqua bead and give it a pull. You can see how it's going to kind of make like a little point. So this is what's going to kind of give us our little snowflake design. We're going to add on a smaller aqua bead for spacing, a larger aqua bead, and we're just going to repeat the same process. So one of our little 3x5 beads, a small aqua, and a 3x5 bead. And then we're just going to pass back through the larger aqua. So like we did with our 2x2, just kind of making that little circle. We just want to make sure that they are all connected together. So we'll just make any adjustments as needed. You can see when it starts to form together, it kind of looks like a little snowflake. And then you're going to have that shimmer from the aqua and the blue beads. So we're just going to keep doing that. And then if you run out of room on one side, you have the other soft flex as well. We just need to make it large enough so it will fit around our little snowflake. So we'll pick up a little blue bead, a big aqua, small crystal, small aqua, crystal, and just pass back through our blue bead and give it a pull. And you can see the start of our design. So we will just continue to do that until we have our desired length. So we've added on all of our little components, and don't worry if they're kind of curling a little bit. They will straighten out once we add our final 2x2 and connect everything together. If they still are a little wonky or lopsided, just maybe put them under like a heavy book for a little bit, and then it will straighten out. So first, before we add on our 2x2, we want to make sure that everything is going to fit. That we have our inner circle that will fit perfectly. So pretty, very whimsical design. These are also great for sun catchers. If you want to do it like maybe for the spring, like in a flower pattern with pastel colors, I think it'd be really pretty. So we're just going to do the same thing now that we know that our inside component will fit. We're going to pick up our 2x2 and pick up that second 2x2 and give it a pull. And just like we did before, we're going to make our little loop again. So it doesn't matter which side. It's going to be a little tricky just because it has all the little parts on it to make your snowflake. So once we have it passed through, just the same thing, we want to make sure that our 2x2 is resting next to the two bigger aqua beads. And once we have everything the way we would like, we're just going to flatten our 2x2 again. We're going to trim off our extra softlex. I like how the soft flex shows between the beads. Just kind of gives it another design element. So we're going to add in our smaller jump ring, and we're going to connect our two little parts of our beaded components. So we're going to open up our jump ring, attach it to the first little loop, and then we're going to put it through the inside of our larger component. We're almost finished with our beautiful little snowflake ornament, or you can use this as a pendant or a sun catcher. And on the top loop, it's up to you if you want to add like a veil or you want to make your own little ornament design on top, or you could just attach it to a larger jump ring. And we have our beautiful little snowflake with our sparkle and then just the shimmer and glow on Softlex wire. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as other holiday inspiration tutorials. Have an awesome day.